There are three fundamental ingredients you will need for a successful software development project. The first is good people. By good people, I mean software developers who have a passion for the technology, who would be developing software in their own time if it were not for their job. The ideal developer has confidence with the technology and can be left to solve problems without being given detailed instructions. The next critical feature of a functional team is good communications. Even good developers can be rendered useless if they are not given the opportunity to communicate. Stand-up meetings, team meetings, code reviews are a few opportunities for developers to communicate. Another often neglected form of communication is with the software users. Developers need to form empathy with users so that they understand how the software is used. This gives them a natural insight into how what they write will be used, and avoid costly user interface issues. Finally, there is teamwork. A team is more than a group of individuals who happen to work in the same office on the same project. Teams are built. Having good developers and good communications goes a long way towards building a good team, but there are other environmental factors which encourage good teamwork, such as open plan offices, which allow developers to quickly interact with each other. It is also important to have periods where developers can interact socially. These three elements are the foundational elements of a software development team. They are all necessary but not sufficient for a successful team. We also need processes and tools which enable quality and efficiency. Process to some developers is a four-letter word. They have associated process with heavyweight processes which crush individual creativity and innovation. Process can be used to improve creativity and innovation by freeing the developer from thinking about aspects of their work which can be made systematic. For example, a glider pilot will execute a checklist prior to takeoff. The checklist provides discipline around the process of launching a glider to ensure safety. Similarly, a software development process exists as a discipline to ensure quality. Without a checklist, a glider pilot risks missing that one of his controls has failed. By following the checklist, it frees them to focus on other aspects of the flight, such as weather conditions. The same thing occurs with software developers. For example, a code review process which enforces compulsory code review means the developer does not need to ask the question, "Do I need to have a code review?" No opportunity exists for the developer to choose the no review path, thus quality is maintained.